Crack my fingers, damn. Are we Gucci though? Are we Gucci? Are we Gucci or nah? Crack my fingers, damn. Yeah, we are. Okay. Okay. I haven't been on this computer in a minute. Guys, I haven't been on this YouTube channel in a fucking minute. Oh, damn. YouTube channel in a fucking... But honestly, I'm kind of dialed in right now. Low key. Dialed the fucking... When's the last time we streamed on here? Actually, let me show up in the chat, actually. It's been a minute. It's been since like February, right? Yeah, February 17th. Damn. Damn. What is this? Yeah, we are not locked in. Why is this loading so weird? I was like rushing to get on because we might be getting some volatility here pretty soon. I just want some random playlist. We're off to the races. Why is this thing like this? And so put this in the Discord for now. End of June juice. How about that? Oh, I figured this out over here. Oh, YouTube changed the layout and it's fucking up this extension. I see. I see. Can we disable it for now? Is that an option? Okay. Okay, cool. I'll fix it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Kind of vibey though. This playlist is kind of vibey. What is this? What is this? Interesting. Boom, boom. Okay, we're almost good to go here. And then we'll get caught up, right? We'll do a mega catch up because it's been so damn long. A mega catch up. Let me just look at some data real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Also, what is this? They literally just added this. This was not here yesterday. New feature. I don't know where they're pulling this data from though. Boats, whatever the fuck this is. I get how to close this. Yeah. I think we're good, yeah. Where did we get off? Well, that's a while ago, right? We were way back here. Or right here, actually. I think we were streaming when it was still up here. Maybe it was after the initial breakdown. I don't even remember. It wasn't very long. When was it exactly? When was it exactly? $17th. Oh, so we had just come down. Oh yeah, okay, I remember now. I'm trying to think like what was going on at the time, but yeah, we taken the long on the flush, right? I think what that was one of the main longs we took. And I don't remember. I think it was this day. Was it this one? It was the one where we cleaned all the poor lows at once. Was that fangity thang? Like it was right when like the futures resumed. Yeah, there's this thing. Was it this? Whatever, right? Anyone that's been following along in the Discord when you stop streaming kind of what's going on. Right now we're not in the long though. What was I gonna say? Yeah, shout out to today's Discord update, right? And basically, if you've been in the Discord and following along, right, you're basically caught up. Nothing is really veered from there. Last thing we talked about this morning was like, retesting the zone with the VWAP, right? After like losing this whole volume node, and we got rejected right at the VWAP. Right, the value area low. The question is, are we gonna sweep this shit down here or no? Or no? Or no? Because I don't know, we're at an interesting spot, right? This is an interesting spot. There's a lot going on here. So shout to the imaginary patterns, right? Shout to the imaginary head and shoulder patterns. I'm gonna delete this thing. Yeah, but I mean, in terms of like the higher time frame shit, interesting spot. Like right at the golden pocket, like right at the VWAP off like the bear market low. Right at this like whole volume cluster. Plus it's like a 200 week like moving average, right? And it looks like they kind of want to bounce it here. This is a, you know what's happening right now? Like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking at this shit. I'm not trying to buy spot just yet, right? Too risky. Too risky. But the problem is like we have like a bunch of like divs playing out, right? Like on the weekly, there's like bull divs printing here. On the daily, there's like bull divs printing like right here and here. And even on like the 4 hour, we're printing them again down here. So like as you go down the time frame, it's like they're all printing the divs. And there's a lot of like buys in the order book. Problem is there's no aggressive buying. It's all just like limit orders down here in both spot and perps. So we're in a very interesting spot. Because the other thing about this move right now is that like the open interest on the short side is like fucking on parabolic. The potential for a pretty big squeeze back up if this is gonna hold. Problem is, I'm not trying to take this right now. So I'd imagine most people are feeling the same way, which is why we're kind of just fucking sitting here ding dong and doing fuck all. Building value lower and lower. So, yeah. Because like, I got like the last long that we talked about in Discord, like I ended up getting closed out with the remainder, and I haven't gone to a new one yet. And until we like come lower, I'm not trying to get into a new one unless we like reclaim this like this whole fucking thing and start going. And even then, it's like I don't know, right? It could just be a squeeze and come right back down. If anything, it's gonna be like an opportunity to reload shorts. If anything. Yeah. Well, aside from Bitcoin though, how about this shit, right? God, this shit was, I swear, man, is it me or was this like fucking easy money printing season? Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. And they added like a bunch of these like, like all these traditional market stocks are on BitGet now and you can trade it with perps. And it has been fucking hilarious. Trading these like massive moves on ARM and whatnot on leverage, just flying up like fucking like 100%, 1,000% gains on these things. And even if you're late to the move, doesn't even fucking matter. There's so many crazy things like this. Yeah, thing is I haven't been talking about this stuff at all in the Discord because it'd be too much. If I had to sit there and write like about Bitcoin in depth and traditional markets, it'd be like a fucking essay every day. Yeah, so many trades. We traded so much shit. Traded the optics, like ARM as well, like all of the semis, obviously, like the Bloom breakouts. So much, like a lot of these, in any of these names that we're running from the list of the things that they offer, I was basically trading all of them. Easy mode too. Oh, and we got a juicy fucking trade on Robinhood. Where was it? This thing. Like, I literally fucking got my order fulfilled, bottom fucking tick on the exchange. Literally, it was ridiculous. Like, what did I have? I like this like volume profile drawn. What was it? I think it was before the pump, yeah. And like the 786 is like right here. Boom. Plus like on a lower time frame, there's like a bunch of shit going on at the time. Let's see if we can even find it at this point. Is it this? Boom. It is, right? Yeah. We're like coming down into the zone, like wedging like right there. I'm gonna have to go into like the 5 minutes to like really see, but like we made like a reg right at the 886 at the value area low. Whatever, one of many juicy trades. Problem with this one though is like I shaved a lot on this gap fill. Look, left the rest are running, but yeah, so much stuff. Guys, the traditional market like has been ridiculous, literally ridiculous. When you're trading these things on like you don't even have to be high leverage. Like the daily candles like this crap is putting in is like, you should look at some of these. Like a 15% daily candle, 16%, like 5, 10, and same with shorting it. The question is, what's happening now? Are we gonna say you're consolidating, or are we about to roll over or go higher? What's the deal? What is the deal? Kevin Warshi yapping tomorrow. I think it's like 9 a.m. Probably check out the rest of the data, yeah. See what's good, see what's going on. Boom, boom. Should we have alarms set on this, by the way? Yes and yes, okay. Bum, 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 bum. What was I doing? We had the data. The data. You know what's funny? When we were watching those videos on that Chart Fanatics channel, a bunch of the strategies that were on there are stuff that I was testing, trading this traditional market stuff. Bum, 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 bum. Easy money, basically. We have to get caught up though. I haven't watched that in so long. I'm probably like 20 episodes behind at this point. Maybe we'll watch one now. The thing is, I'm so tired right now. I don't know how long I'm gonna be on here chilling. I got here and my fridge is dead. Or one of my fridges. Refrigerators. Luckily there's no food in there because like I wasn't here anyway, so I didn't leave it packed full of food. But it's like not cooling anything. Like how the fuck does that even happen, right? The fridge just dies randomly. What the fuck is that bullshit? Oh yeah, the rest of the data. We need to reply to a bunch of texts, goddamn. What a 4 months though, goddamn. Good times. Being back at home is so nice, goddamn. Enjoying the fruits of my labor. Why isn't this working? What? Okay, interesting. Thing is, I'm not gonna be here too long. Realistically, I have to go back home on the 9th. Partially because I'm a dumbass. Actually, not partially, entirely. For being precise. I went to see my orthodontist, like, I don't know when, like March or something. And I made an appointment for June. And I don't know why I was like super convinced it was the 24th of June. Now I have to get my Invisalign removed. Like, I'm done my Invisalign. Teeth glistening. But yeah, I thought it was on the 24th and it was on the 23rd. So I full on missed that, and then they booked it. What is this? Oh. They booked it July 9th, so I gotta go back to get that done. And then I gotta be back here by the 17th. And we'll probably be here from the 17th to like August-ish some point. My birthday's in August, and I'm trying to go home for that. Oh, show. Show. Wow, that's huge. 63-1. I'm just getting caught up on some of this data because like I haven't been I was preparing to come back and whatnot. I'm just kind of finishing up shit that I was doing in GTA. So the past couple of days, I wasn't like didn't really post on Discord. Like, nothing really changed in terms of like the higher time frame shit. But in terms of these like kind of lower time frame levels of interest to the upside, I haven't really discussed it. So I'm just kind of just quickly getting caught up on some of this data. I'm kind of map some of this out. But yeah, huge. A lot of shit going on right there. Cut my eye immediately. And we'll revisit that in a bit. Where's all that coming from? Wow. TradingView doesn't have real order flow data. Why are you using it? I use ExoCharts for order flow. First and foremost. Second of all, I mean, like, depending on how you trade, like, you don't really need order flow. Like, yes, if you're trying to be extremely fucking precise with your exact entry and like a tight stop, okay, sure, I suppose. But people that are swing trading kind of just hop in the move whenever they get their entry and stick their stop at low of the day, high of the day, etc. Plenty of people that just don't even trade with like any order flow, right? No level 2 data, etc. But I don't think TradingView does like a terrible job, does it? I mean, I haven't like played with that in a while. But I don't know how accurate these like footprint candles are. But they've updated it a lot. You can like really play around with these settings a lot. Yeah. Why isn't this working? There we go. Why is the profile so fucked? Okay, there we go. Why wasn't this TPO loading properly? And that was odd. How to TradingView though? Now I'm curious how big of a team these people have, because I feel like over the years of using it, so many random issues. And it doesn't seem like they update this a lot, at least in terms of like the charting features and whatnot. Like, yeah, they've added some stuff here and there, but a lot of the crap that they've been adding is like piping in data feeds. Like, if you go through this like what's new section, it's always like adding like financial data, support for new exchanges, blah blah blah. Yeah, they added the alerts and the fibs, I suppose, which is like, do you really need that? You can just draw the fib and put the alert there anyways. I'd much prefer if they actually updated the alerts a lot more, like the complexity of the alerts. Like, it's not particularly interesting what you can do with this. There's a lot more options they could add. But anyways, it's just me bitching. Trading view, have bid, aggressor, bid ask. Yeah, it's not optimal, we'll say that. I don't think too many people are using Trading View like with the intention like it's being like an elite order form platform or anything like that. I think anyone that knows what they're doing knows there's a lot better options. Ube Sompre. I recognize your name. Is that like thunder? Holy crap. It's my first day back in this city, and Toronto, it's sunny skies. I'm here, just pure thunderstorm. Yeah, check on NQ. I think price coming down. I mean, you don't want me to predict the future for you? Possibly, right? I mean, it has lost today's value, but we're still like within yesterday's like VWAP value area. We're actually outside of yesterday's value area. It's an outside day right now. The first question is the VWAP going to hold? And then if not, like there's this kind of zone hold. On 15 minutes? I mean, same shit, right? It just aggregates the candles together. Same shit. Thing is, I don't have Bookmap and whatnot open right now, so I can't really go look at what's going on there. It does seem like it is failing a little bit though, right? Just a smidge. The thing is, you know, like that statement that you made, a bit odd, right? I think price coming down. Like, why do you think that? And how do you define coming down? How's this looking anyways? How did the RTH finish? Bounce on institutional wall? What is an institutional wall? I mean, it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow morning. It's like all the central banks are having like a meeting essentially. It's like who's there? Like the European Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, and the Canadian one's there. Who else is there? Bank of England. That'll be interesting though. It'll be interesting to see what they say. We also got labor market data this week. Interesting. I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are kind of paying attention to what's going on here, right? I think a lot of people are what's going on in Korea, where the big money is. I mean, yeah, but there's like no volume, right? Really? Like compare like the daytime, like the cash session to now, it's like nothing really going on. I see on the index is go up. What index are you talking about? Bum, 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 bum. Just swept the previous week low. Probably open the exchange app. We are looking to get filled here pretty soon. And that might have been it. Well, I mean, we'll give it some time to close, but I think the imbalances are a bit lower. You guys are fucking distracting me. Distracting the boy. How might I just miss getting filled? Boy, how might I just missed it? Oh, fuckers. Okay. It is okay. The dollar index. Yeah, I mean, it does look like it's breaking out, right? It feels like it's coming back into this like bigger range up here. Oops. It is seemingly appearing to be doing that, but can't say definitively what will happen in the future. That's why NQ drop. Possibly. I mean, wouldn't say it's much of a drop so far, but do many things. Be something in the news. I don't know. Something coming out of Asia. Could just be because the Korean index is dropping, right? Damn, what's my username for this? Damn. Okay. When index pump, NQ dump. I don't think it's that straightforward, but it generally does follow a trend similar to that. Yes. Yes, what? Yes, what? Interesting. We'll give this candle some time. Click on chart and you see Yeah, I had it open. It's not like directly correlated, right? Like look this whole time right here. This like went up, right? This is just going side. It's not like this went down as this was going up. And this is just like a 30-minute time frame. You can go like without panning the chart at all. Immediately like an example of it not being true. Imagine we sit here and go through the whole thing. There's been multiple times that I can remember just off myself seeing it where like the index is pumping even on the higher time frames, and like so is like risk on assets. With gold, yeah, got me. I mean, I think gold's the same kind of story, right? Like, yes, potential like bullish technical signs emerging. I think people are waiting for a little lower. I think it's funny people are surprised by this. Like, people really thought gold was just gonna fucking do this. They thought it was just gonna be like, ding ding, just gonna continue going. Like biggest asset on the planet with this like massive like 5-6 sigma outlier event. Peak euphoria. The funniest thing was reading the sentiment data at the time. It is funny to like watch these things, right? Like when gold pumps, all of a sudden everyone on social media is like a gold bug, mega gold expert. Same with like the oil during this whole Iran situation. Same with silver, same with copper, blah blah blah. Same with the semis. How much has this gone up? God damn. Bum, bum, bum. Eight minutes on a 30-minute candle. A lot of open interest closed there too. Well, we definitely get, if we were looking to get filled market smashing this like reclaim of the sweep, we would have definitely missed that. So I thought guys distracted my okay though. If we are gonna reverse here for real, like we'll definitely have an opportunity to get back in this thing and chase it. Let's log into the exchange first and foremost. If we're gonna do any of that. First and foremost. Bum, 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 bum. Probably reversal on BTC. I mean, I guess it depends what you mean. First and foremost, like reverse, like what? Like this is like the low? You mean like on the daily? We're just gonna just go up from here? Are you talking about like from on this time frame? Kind of just like do one of these things or something? It's quite a lot of volume right now though, right? Quite the spike we're seeing down here. I'm just seeing what's going on in the order book. I'd be a little salty if we do reverse here though, right? We would have had like a pretty nice entry. Damn. 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 Also, is it gonna look up? On the daily is gonna go up. Miss the entry on the daily. I mean, possibly. I mean, we would have been in this thing with like a break-even stop already if we had taken this. So I was not prepared, right? I was not prepared. I was sitting here yapping to you motherfuckers. I didn't have anything open anyways. I was getting caught up myself after the gym and whatnot. We'll see, right? If we are gonna reverse here, like we'll start to reclaim some of these levels. So let's see how this candle closes, right? Might end up like closing like way down here and come sweep all this garbage. Same with like CME, right? We'll see. Miss entering the daily, I think so. Possibly. Could also not be. My question to you would be, why do you think that? First and foremost. Well, we did sweep this whole cluster here, right? All these shitty highs you were leaving behind, or like lows. Yeah, finally, got all that crap. I think is gonna reversal. Is there a reason for that? I mean, it's definitely possible. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. See entry on 59934 up here. I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. I mean, maybe. Let me just look at this real quick. So the question is like, what is the probability of reversing up here, right? 627 611. Because there's a world where it just like does this and goes lower, right? Comes back and just, that's it. And like not even here, right? There's like multiple levels of interest. Like it could be up here, it could be up here, it could be the cluster we were talking about up here. In which case, if you get to these ones, like, whatever, it's fine. Like you're getting out break even worst case. Nothing late though. Like this is clearly the ideal entry, right? We missed the ideal entry. I think that much we can agree on at this point. Definitely like reclaiming this level on the sweep. Bum, 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 bum. Honestly, I might even, like, when this candle closes, I might just like market a small position, to be honest. Because I still have like a lot of the short running. Like worst case, like it just kind of rolls over and I make more from the short rolling over than I do from this, like, or I make more from the short coming back down here than I lose from taking a small long. Obviously, you're giving some money back, but it's like whatever. And if it does start to go, then it could break even. Worst case. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna set all this shit up. I'm so tired, goddamn. Can barely even think. I had the nicest chest workout today. The gym was empty. I don't know what was going on. Like, it was weird as hell. Like, it's a holiday here tomorrow, so maybe that's like a factor. But it was like dead. Literally nobody. Which was nice. What are we missing here? Uwe Sampre. Oh yeah, the text. Oh shit. Guys, we are so stupid. Okay. I get some food. I'm fucking hungry. Boy, I'm hungry. Gotta get that protein in me. This is kind of vibey, right? This is kind of a vibe. Actually, let's also look at this real quick. Boom, 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 boom. What is this? What? I can't tell what the hell this warning is. Heads up, we've detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. If you plan to continue, please ensure the content owner has added your channel. What does that mean? What does that mean? This is like free, isn't it? Interesting, whatever, who cares? Who's a fuck? Who gives a fuck with the music, goddamn. Man, my power like might go out or something. It is crazy out there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Like my house is literally shaking from the thunder. God, I forgot all my passwords to everything. I'm so used to just being on my laptop and never like having to log in again. I'm so stupid. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's not working, whatever. We're just doing our laptop. Yeah. Boom. I was checking where the open interest is at right now, more or less. So a bunch of people open shorts down here. Oops. Get rid of this, yeah. Get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. So I was trying to see like when everybody goes underwater. Still a little bit more to go. Like, unless you clear like this kind of high. Like not too bad. I'm trying to decide if I want to put my stop break even yet or not. There's the first pop. I think we'll leave it for now. I think we'll leave it. Like, well, let's not risk getting stopped out like needlessly if it ends up continuing to go right after. And then worst case, it's like the thing we discussed about like the short covering it. Nice little first stream back, right? Hopping in on potential little juice right away. Some might say it's destiny. Give that some time though. Respond to that. And let's get something to snack on because boy, I'm hungry. Oh, I'm hungry. Bum, 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 bum. Or should I leave it on? Should I leave it on like this or something? Also, why is this on this? Leave it on this. I'm gonna get something to snack on because boy, I'm hungry. Boy. We already covered everything at this point. Nothing really discuss for now. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it is crazy outside. I have to stop and look at that for a second. Crazy. Looks like daytime when the lightning's going off. 11 minutes on a 30-minute candle close, hourly candle close. Okay. Okay. That's how have we been? Oh my god, so much happened in the past 4 months. Holy crap. Holy crap. Summer's just getting started, boy. Good fucking times. Money maxing, knowledge maxing, wisdom maxing, looks maxing, everything. Goddamn. Social circle network maxing. Event, real life event maxing. So much shit. Holy crap. Strength maxing. Everything. Bum, 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 bum. Is it me or is this trading shit too fucking easy? I swear. If we're not in the next Market Wizards book, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. Pissed the fuck off. Cause like I met some traders in the GTA who are like, I mean, I guess they're juicing. They're profitable, right? But I don't know, man. Looking like some rookies to me. Where do I put this? Yeah. Okay. We'll leave it on this, yeah. I'm so tired. Thing is, since I've been trading a lot more of this TradFi stuff, I've been getting up a lot earlier. Kind of see like how like Asia's doing, and like all whatever's happening in the pre-market. So like lately I've been going to bed like if I'm not out doing something, I've been going to bed at like 11, 12-ish. So while I am back, I probably should decide like maybe we'll just stream during the day, I don't know. Or just have their shorter nighttime streams when I'm chilling. Did this alarm go off? I'll put another one. Okay. Interesting. Curious why these two don't have like the overnight thing. Anyways, can you filter? Can you add the filter here? You cannot. You should like this, right? Like, and now they've added this overnight thing, but you can't like put it on the scanner or like your watch list. Fucking trading view, right? This protein bar is so goddamn thick. Thick as fuck. Okay. Almost done munching. Also, I'm curious about how big of a deal this like open USD thing is. The circle tanked pretty hard today off of that. 20% nuke in a day. Interesting. God damn. No, thank God I have two refrigerators. So I wouldn't have been able to store all my food. And even if I went out and bought like a brand new refrigerator to replace the one that's broken, like it wouldn't be here like immediately, right? They had to deliver it like whenever, tomorrow at the earliest. At the earliest. How many of these videos we missed? What a curiosity. Not that many actually, wow. One, two, three, 6, 9, 12. 12. That's not that much at all. What about this? We didn't miss that much actually. Interesting. In terms of just like words of wisdom and like Titans of Tomorrow content for fanatics. But do any of these look particularly interesting? I don't know if I want to watch these round tables. One trader versus 15 unprofitable traders. I don't know if there's a whole lot of like alpha to extract from that. Maybe I'll put them on one day casually, just not on stream. Well, we'll give them a glance. We'll see if there's any interesting topics, I suppose. Actually, let's just look at look through the timeline of one right now. Do they have chapters posted? They do. Building a plan before entering. Why mental stops destroy traders. Blah blah blah. Yeah, this is like. I mean, based on these chapters, I'd imagine this is like not gonna be a particularly useful way to spend our time. I mean, sure, I can sit here and kind of have some commentary and thoughts on it, but I'm much more curious to know what people's like exact strategies. Because the last time that I grinded through these videos was like quite bountiful, right? Made like a bunch of random indicators based off of stuff people were talking about. Also like a little bit straight up use some of these strategies. Like the wedge pops, episodic pivots, high volume closes, etc. But if it starts to go up here, I'll probably put the stop break even. Call it chill. Right now, I'm a little paranoid of like the initial pullback. To do like one of these things. Like the entry is not that great, so like this will stop us out. Could also shave a bit, right? So like we don't take like, any loss in the world where it does go to the low, as opposed to giving back some of the short. Also an option. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Also get caught up with my phone. Okay, we'll do that. And then what do we do when we get back? Holy shit. If the stream dies, it's because the power went out. Quite unlikely, very rare happens. But it is crazy outside. My house is like shaking and it's been doing this for like 20-30 minutes now. Things like right on top of us. What time is it? It's 10. I'll give it some thought. I'll give some thought to what we'll do when I get back from brushing my teeth. I don't want to be awake too long either. I'm just like streaming. I want to go chill, read, get a good night's rest. Okay, I'm gonna do that first. Mr. Olympic. Olympic. Mr. Olympic. On the grind. Okay. Hey, Marcos, do you make composite profiles for overlapping TPOs? Not really. Not really. I mean, I do have like the this like weekly one I kind of look at from time to time. And I've played with like on Market Monkey Terminal and Exo charts. You can like combine the days, right? You can make like all these into one, but like fuck. It seems kind of pointless, right? Seems like kind of a pointless feature. Like at the end of the day, you can see like whether like values building like we're in a relatively close regions or not, right? As opposed to if it was like this, like we'll actually erase it. And one was up here, and one's like way down here, and one's like here. You kind of just see it anyways. Plus, if you're trying to like watch like these levels, like suppose like, okay, this TPO has like a poor high, for example. If you merge it, I don't know if it always keeps the poor highs like that marked out. Bum, 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 bum. It's interesting though, definitely makes the charts a bit cleaner, we'll say that. The question, like, the first thought in my head was like, it seems more of like a visual adjustment as opposed to like something that will give you additional edge in some capacity. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. I haven't like traded off of them and really sat down and mega nerded the back testing. We also need our tablets, write shit down. Maybe we'll kind of go through it. I think we did look at it actually, now that I recall. I'm pretty sure we sat down one stream and went back and looked at it. It did seem interesting. Actually, yeah, now I definitely remember, because I remember I was sitting here trying to see like how well the balance profiles worked on the weekly. Okay, let me go get my tablet before I forget. So far, it seems like we might have caught this thing. Yeah, first stream in 4 months to fucking catch a trade in the first like fucking 2 30-minute candles. Yeah, boy. Let's not get carried away though. Could just end up rolling over. Enough trolling. Interesting level on the Nasdaq, yeah, and the S&P. Leave that like that. Okay. I feel like my brain is like got such a scatter brain right now. I've been so tired at the end of my days. This whole time I haven't been streaming, I've been nerding out in the gym. Cause like not too long after I stopped streaming, well, we said what, February 17th? Like early, like second week of March, we PR'd our deadlift. A 500 fucking pound deadlift. Boy. Pretty low body weight too. I was like a low 190s, like 191, 182, somewhere in that range. So like borderline, potentially elite deadlift levels. But we've been cutting ever since. Down like 13 pounds. So yeah, early mornings for trading. Then I go to the gym. Then I do cardio every day. We've been getting shredded for August. Looking pretty jacked though. Looking pretty fucking jacked. I had multiple people commenting. Looking juicy. I mean, look at as juicy as these trades. Imagine I hopped on the juice or like the peptide. Man, can someone explain to me how literally every fucking person in my gym is like taking peptides? I was so shocked. Because I wouldn't have guessed it. I wouldn't have guessed any of these people are on anything. From like just looking at them. Apparently half these people are on fucking Retta. I don't know if I want to be taking that shit. I'm trying to be a low-key guinea pig. Also not necessary.